Making an avocado smoothie with tapioca pearls is fun and easy. First, you need a few simple ingredients. You need a ripe avocado. Next, grab some milk from the fridge. Don't forget the tapioca pearls. Finally, get some honey or sugar. Now we're ready to make a tasty smoothie. Let's get started. You will love this special drink. It's perfect for a hot day. Let's cook the tapioca pearls. Get a pot of water. Ask a grown-up to help you put it on the stove. Heat the water until it boils. The water will bubble. Now, carefully pour the tapioca pearls into the boiling water. Stir the pearls gently. We don't want them to stick together. Let them cook for about 20 minutes. They will become soft and chewy. See how they change color? Now drain the pearls using a strainer. Rinse them with cold water. Good job! Now let's make the avocado smoothie. Cut the avocado in half. Remove the seed. Scoop the avocado flesh into the blender. Add a cup of milk. If you want it sweeter, add honey or sugar. Put the lid on the blender. Blend everything until it's smooth. You can ask a grown-up to help you with the blender. Taste the smoothie. Do you want it sweeter? Add a little more honey or sugar and blend again. Perfect! Get your favorite glass. Put some cooked tapioca pearls at the bottom. How much should you use? That's up to you. Now pour the avocado smoothie over the pearls. Look at that! You made an avocado smoothie with tapioca pearls. It looks so yummy. You can add a straw if you like. Take a sip. Isn't it delicious and refreshing? You can share it with your friends and family too.